Hi everyone, let's solve the question on the board together. On the board we have the integral of 2x over square root of 3x squared plus 1. To integrate this expression, the best method that you can use is by substitution, that is integrating by substitution. We use substitution method because this method is used to perform integration when the integral contains a function and is derivative. And the substitution method is also known as U substitution. What it means is that if you are to integrate this, you take the function and let it to be equal to U. After that, you differentiate it in order to remove its derivative. So if I to integrate this one, comparing the numerator and the denominator, 3x squared plus 1 will be my U. Because if I differentiate it, I'll be able to clear off the numerator. So that means that 3x squared plus 1 is the function. I'll say that let U to be equal to 3x squared plus 1. Next step, differentiate this with respect to x. So I'll have du dx to be equal to this 3x squared. If I'm to differentiate, 2 will come and multiply 3. I'll get 6. Then I'll subtract 1 from the power 2. And everything will now be x to the power 1. And x to the power 1 is the same thing as x. The next thing is to differentiate 1. And differential of 1 is 0. Because anytime you have to differentiate a constant, the answer is 0. After this, next step, make the x the subject. So from here, to make the x the subject, I will just switch the x to this side and bring 6x here. Meaning I'll have du over 6x is equal to the x. Next step, substitute this and this to this expression. And that's what we call the substitution method. That is the integral of 2x over square root of 3x squared plus 1 dx is equal to the integral of 2x over square root. We are now going to substitute. 3x squared plus 1 is the same thing as u. So I'll write my u here. We are taking the whole of this and we are substituting the u. The next thing is dx. And dx is the same thing as du over 6x. So I have multiplying by du over 6x. Next step, x will cancel x. Or they will cancel x as numerator, x as denominator. They will cancel out. I will now have 2 here, 6 here. 2 into itself, 1. 2 into 6, 3. So I will have 1 over 3. And the denominator, I still have square root of u. Then we'll attach this du. I can continue by bringing the constant 1 over 3 out. This 1 over 3, I'll bring it out of the integral side. And I'll have 1 over square root of u du. To continue, I'll have 1 over 3, the integral of 1 over u to the power half. Because square root means exponent half. Du. I'll now have 1 over 3, the integral. I'll send you exponent half top. And by doing that, I'll obey the rules of indices. Since the power here is positive, if I send it to the top, it will be negative 1 over 2 du. I will now have 1 over 3. To integrate this, I will just add 1 to the power minus 1 over 2. That is the rule of integration. You add 1 to the power. So adding 1 to negative half will give me positive half. Then I will divide by the new power, which is 1 over 2. Close it and say plus c. Plus d because c is the arbitrary constant. To continue, I'll have 1 over 3. This is 1 over half, and 1 divided by half is 2. So I will now have 2 u to the power half plus c. C is the arbitrary constant. And I'll have 1 times 2, 2 over 3 u exponent half. I'm using this to multiply together, plus c. From this, I'll have 2 over 3 u exponent half. I will now substitute the value of u, which is 3x squared plus 1. And we know that half means square root, so I will just bring the square root sign and write 3x squared plus 1. And let's say plus the arbitrary constant c. And this is the integration of this expression. And the method that we have just used is called substitution method. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more maths video. The YouTube channel name is Nabila Mahmi Online